Smart Capture offers a new way of controlling the Mavic Air by hand and taking photos or videos however you like. Gesture Launch. Place the aircraft on a level surface, power it on, and enable Smart Capture in DJI Go 4 or press the function button twice. The front LEDs will become solid yellow and the aircraft will beep twice. Stand at a distance of 2 to 3 meters in front of the aircraft. Raise your palm for about 2 seconds and wait for palm control to be activated. Once palm control has been activated successfully, the front LEDs will blink green slowly. The drone will take off and hover in place. Palm control. Stand at a distance of 2 meters in front of the aircraft and position your palm towards the camera for 2 seconds to activate palm control. The front LEDs will blink green slowly to indicate that palm control has been activated. Then, you can control the aircraft with your palm. Control distance. Stand in front of the aircraft's nose, raise and extend your arms, and hold your palms closely together. The front LEDs will blink green slowly. Move your hands apart, and the aircraft will fly away from you to a maximum distance of 6 meters. Move your hands together, and the aircraft will fly towards you to a minimum distance of 2 meters. Follow. Lower your hand towards the floor to activate follow. Once follow is activated, the front LEDs will turn solid green. You can select either trace or profile in DJI Go 4 to control your aircraft. With follow, you can adjust the aircraft's position and distance with your palm. Selfie. Stand at a distance of 7 meters in front of the aircraft and make a V gesture with one hand. When the selfie gesture is recognized, a 3-second countdown will begin. With 2 seconds remaining, the front LEDs will blink red slowly. Then, with 1 second remaining, the LEDs will start to blink red quickly. The front LEDs will turn off when capturing a photo. Group selfie. When making multiple V gestures at the same time, Group Selfie will be activated. Mavic Air will take a photo at its current position. Then, it will fly to a point 5 meters away from your group, ascend, and take a photo at a 30-degree angle. The aircraft will then fly to a point 7 meters away from your group, ascend, and take one more photo at a 15-degree angle. Finally, it will fly back to its original position. Record videos. Stand at a distance of 7 meters in front of the aircraft and make a frame gesture with your fingers. When the frame gesture is recognized, the aircraft will start recording. During the recording, the front LEDs will turn off. After 5 seconds have elapsed, making the frame gesture again will stop the recording. Switching control. In Smart Capture, the person controlling the Mavic Air can be switched at any time. Lower your hand towards the ground, and the person who would like to control the aircraft should raise their palm in front of the aircraft. Once the aircraft is under their control, the front LEDs will blink green slowly. Gesture land. To land the Mavic Air, move your palm down slowly to make the aircraft descend to its minimum altitude. Continue commanding the drone to descend for a further 3 seconds. Then, it will land automatically, and its motors will stop. The front LEDs will turn yellow, and the aircraft will wait for further instruction. Have fun using Smart Capture. Thank you for watching.